Welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Lauren, and today we are making skeleton keychains. This craft is intended for ages 9 and up. You will need the following supplies for this craft project. Wrap your cord around your ruler 7 times lengthwise and cut it off the spool. Find the halfway point on the cord and tie the lanyard hook on. Wrap tape around the ends of the cord to make it look like a shoelace end, so that it is easier to string the beads on. Tape your lanyard hook onto the work surface. Slip the beads on your string and crisscross the cords through as shown in the diagram. Pull cord tight after each row. After completing the face in this manner, you will work with each string individually to make the arms. String 10 white beads on one string. Pull the last 3 beads separate from the others, then lace through the last 3 beads of the 7 group, skip 1, and lace through the last 3 beads, just like in the diagram. Repeat these steps for the second arm. Once both arms are complete, pull the cord tight and then lace the body in the same crisscross manner as the head. The legs are completed in a similar manner to the arms, with a change for the feet. Start by stringing 14 beads onto one string. Then, with one bead separated from the rest, lace through the last two in the opposite direction from the first time. Do the same for the next two beads. This should make the foot. Then pull the string behind the last two beads and lace back through the 9 remaining beads in the same manner as the arms. Lace 4, skip 1, lace the last 4. Repeat this on the other string for the second leg. After coming back to the body from doing the legs, tie the strings together in a square knot at the point where one leg joins the body. Then string the 2 loose cords down 3 beads of the leg and cut off the excess cord. Put glue on the knot to help secure it. Thanks for joining us for craft time at the Houston Public Library. Make sure to share photos of your completed craft online and tag us using #ILoveHPL. See you next time.